So we're here with JP Taz, and he has traveled all the way here to Iligan to give Cindy and I these, or Cindy and me, these beautiful pictures from our wedding. So we just want to say, number one, thank you so much. And for you guys, if you need any pictures printed or anything from a special event, look them up on Facebook because these are just unreal. They are gorgeous, and you've given us, some amazing memories. Cindy and I are always talking about how we never printed our wedding photos.
Yeah.
Now we have these beautiful
and it's for
ones.
lifetime.
It is. So again, guys, look him up on Facebook and give him some business because he's amazing.
Guys, ayaw kalimot, follow ninyo si Kuya sa Facebook. Kay grabe yung picture, grabe as nakita yun ako in real life. Like, amazing. Imagine, sige ko yung tag sa yung account, kaya gipangita na pa si Kuya. Karon nagkuba na yun niya. Nag-travel siya, gikan siya Cagayan, Iligan, para lang mahatag din sa kuha mga pictures. Grabe yun, maka-overwhelm. Thank you. Guys, don't forget to follow Kuya, ha? Kung gusto mo mga picture, pamalit po to sa iyaha, sa iyang